Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a waitlist with Framer and Google Sheets. This is a powerful way to collect email addresses and information from interested visitors directly into a spreadsheet you can manage and access anytime. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the project or website where you want to add the waitlist feature. Simply click on it to open the editor. This is where you'll be making all the necessary changes to integrate your form. Now look over to the left side of your screen and click on Insert. This panel contains all the elements you can add to your website. In the search bar, type Form and hit Enter. You'll see the form element appear in the results. Next, drag the form element and drop it inside your website where you want it to appear. Position it in a spot that makes sense for your visitors, whether that's on your homepage, a landing page, or a dedicated waitlist section. This form will be the gateway for collecting all your waitlist data. After placing the form, shift your attention to the right side panel. Here you'll find the form settings. Under the form section, look for an option labeled Send to and click Add. This is where you'll connect your form to Google Sheets, so all submissions are automatically recorded. From the options that appear, click on Google Sheets. If you haven't connected your Google account yet, you'll need to click Connect and log in to your Google Sheets account. This step authorizes Framer to send form data directly to your Google account. In this example, the account is already logged in, so the process is simpler. All you need to do is click Add on Sheet. A dialog box will appear prompting you to input a name for your new sheet. Type in a name that helps you identify this waitlist, something like website waitlist or email signups, then click Create. This generates a new Google Sheet specifically for this form. Now it's time to test if everything works correctly. Click on the Preview button to view your website as visitors would see it. Locate the form you just added and try filling it out with some sample information. Enter a name, email, or whatever fields you've included. Once you've filled in the form, click Submit. This sends the test data through the connection you just set up. Give it a moment to process and transmit the information to Google Sheets. After submitting, head over to Google Sheets in a new tab. Check your sheets and look for the one with the name you created earlier. Open it and you should see the data you just entered on your form displayed in the spreadsheet. This confirms that your waitlist is working perfectly and collecting information as intended. And that's it. You've successfully created a functional waitlist using Framer and Google Sheets. Your visitors can now sign up and you'll have all their information organized and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.